Okay, so you want to save. Okay, you want to save an HTML file and open it in browser. How do you do it from Visual Studio Code? Okay, follow me. So let's save an HTML file. Imagine I'm saving this. Let me just say blessing.html. So I'm going to press Ctrl S, and I think I have a folder here. So just look for the folder that you save it in. Let me go to the folder, blessing.html. Okay, great. So I have a file in blessing, desktop blessing. So the next thing, let me just fill this in with an HTML file, HTML code rather. So what I did is just type HTML, then :5. If you did that and it did not bring out anything, not to worry, just copy this. Just copy this. You will need to install an extension to do that. Just copy this and you'll be fine. Okay, great. So I have then Ctrl S to save it. Now I have an HTML file. So the next thing I'm going to do is to just fill this up with something that we can read from the browser. Let me say, for example, h2. This is a new file, so we should see this on our browser. Okay, great. Then Ctrl S. So now this, we want to open this in our browser. How do we do that? So first come to the Explorer tab, Ctrl+Shift+E, or just come to the icon here and click on it. And as soon as you do that, you will see the file here. So on this file, just click on the icon here to open the menu, or just right click on the file. Just several options. So what I want you to do is to click on Open Integrated Terminal. So that is how to open the terminal. And so when you open Integrated Terminal, you can have access to the terminal here. So right click on the file, then reveal in File Explorer. So this will take you to where you store the file on your computer. Reveal in my computer. So this is where I stored the file in my computer. Now I can just double click. So I have, this is a new file. So I can go back here and make another edit. This is a new file. Thank you for watching. Right, then I follow the same process. Come here, come to file it, reveal in File Explorer, then double click on it, then it's open. So that's how to save your file in Visual Studio Code and getting the location to open it in browser.